Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel FFR Education. Today I have that. Are you ready? Yeah. Can I help you please for English? Are you very sad? I know that, and you want to learn English. So guys, it is my trick, and today I am about to tell M is R. What are the M is R? These are very important to learn English. If you don't know these about this, you can't speak English. Basically, we should learn English little and small according to M is R. Guys, M is R, you will have to know. And so guys, this is my idea, and I want to share in this video, and I hope that you have shown my video, and I am very happy guys, you supported me, and I am a new YouTuber guys. So I want to share where is I know English, and according to grammar I will tell you according to grammar, and you will learn according to grammar. One day definitely I said that you will be fine in English, and you will speak English. You are able to speak English in front of anyone, in front of stage, in front of crowd, in front of mummy and dad. So guys, let's start without delay. I am Munazir, and welcome back FFR Education. So M, what is M, and what is R, what is each, what are the difference between M, each, R? R guys, it is a plural, and we always use you, with you, with we, with they. Where is plural subject? What is the subject? You will have to know who is subject. Subject means I, we, you, they, he, she, it. But these are different. He, she, it. These are called third person or name. Suppose that he is happy. This sentence is called singular. Suppose that what is he? Okay, he means for boys, and she means for girls. It means singular, he means singular, and she means singular. He is happy, वह खुश है, it is called in Hindi. You are happy, आप खुश हो, it is called in Hindi. But you will have to see that what is the difference between are and is. We use always guys are for plural, and we use is for always singular. So guys, we always remember is for singular and are for plural. But we see that M is R, use of M is R. M means who, okay, is means hai, R means hai ho. Let's guys, let's start. I want to tell about sentence, some sentences, okay. You are happy, they are happy, we are happy, they are not happy. This is called negative sentence, okay guys. And they are happy, this is called affirmative sentence, which is no change and no put not, okay. This is affirmative sentence, and you will have to guys affirmative sentence, you will have to know about negative sentence and interrogative sentence. But today I want to say that first remember guys, and first understand M is R, use of M is R. Make sentence, this type of sentence you make guys. Suppose that I am ready, M means who, it is called in Hindi, I am ready. It means मैं तैयार हूँ. You are ready. तुम तैयार हो. It means Hindi meanings. Okay, guys. I hope that you will make a lot sentence and do practice more and more practice as you must, guys. And don't forget to practice as much as practice in the morning, in the evening, and little sentence make, guys, and after that make big sentence, guys. Okay, I hope that you will understand this sentence. Are you ready? क्या आप तैयार हो? It is called in Hindi meaning, guys. It is called interrogative sentence. Okay, are you ready? Are outside and you subject I put in the sentence middle. Okay, that is called interrogative sentence. I am ready, it is called affirmative sentence. Okay, guys, and am I ready? क्या मैं तैयार हूँ? It is called interrogative sentence. I hope that, guys, you this clear and you understood my all sentences. Am is are. I hope that, and you understood these topics. And please subscribe my channel, guys, and more watch video and till end. And thank you so much. Have a good day, and I meet in the next video. And I hope that you watched my video till end, previous video. So, guys, thank you so much with the heart, and I am very grateful to you, guys.